settle up the score and then see what's about to be said. You see, it's not fair. Trying to find out simply who we are. Did you say this is a dried out thin chalet?
It's just picking it on me.
Can't fight it, just still not here.
Wish I could see him today. I probably won't. Do I really want him here to stay?